Once the scan is completed, you'll receive the notification from Nandico on your registered mobile number either via text message or WhatsApp. There are two ways to get access to scan on Nandico. First, you can click on the link shared in notification either to download report or to view or manage scan images. Second, visit to www.app.nandico.in on any browser such as Chrome, Safari, etc., on mobile laptop or any device. On visiting www.app.nandico.in, you will see login page on your screen. Enter your registered mobile number to login and request for OTP, and then submit the OTP. You will land on the Nandico dashboard page. On the Nandico dashboard, you will be able to see your radiology scan details. Several options will appear. First option, when you click on Open Viewer, Nandico Viewer will open. Second option is Copy Link. When you click on Copy Link, you can easily share the link of your scan images with anyone globally via WhatsApp, email, etc. You can discuss your case with your family doctor or can take second opinion from specialist. Third option is Disable Link. Disable Link is very important, an exclusive option by Nandico to manage patients' privacy. When you click on Disable Link, it will deactivate your link. No one will able to view your scan images, even they have link which you shared with them previously. If you enable it, then only the link will be active. Anyone having link will be able to view your scan images only if link is kept enabled by you. When you click on Download Zip, you can download the entire scan images file which can be stored on your laptop or any storage for whole life. You can download your report from here once it is uploaded. Now, we will discuss Open Viewer option in detail. We will elaborate how to use and view scan images on Nandico Viewer. Click on Open Viewer option. Your scan will open. Nandico enables you access to original data which CT or MRI machine takes during scanning. Radiologists use this original data to report scans. Let us elaborate various options on Viewer. Stack option. This option is used for scrolling the images on screen. Zoom option. Use this to zoom in or zoom out images on screen as per your need. Level option. This is a very important option because, for many sequences, images that are made available by machines are either too bright or too dark. Doctors adjust the brightness and level of images to make them readable. You can use this option to adjust the brightness of images as per your need. You can also select desired window for CT scan images evaluation. Pan option. You can use this option to move image on screen. By using Eclipse option, you can take HU values, which is a technical term used for reporting. Draw option. You can take the various measurement. Layout option. You can view different series in desired layout. On the left of your screen on Nandico Viewer, you will see various series of images taken during scanning. You can select particular series for evaluation. Hope Nandico will help to improve patient care, save time of patient treatment. Nandico team thanks you for patience and giving your valuable time.